Hi everyone, Susan Parker here with the DEP with our Youth Environmental Program for District 2. And today I want to invite you to go on an insect scavenger hunt. I know you've probably been on a couple nature scavenger hunts maybe since you've been home as activities, but this one is particularly about insects. But before we can start, we kind of have to know what an insect is, right? What makes an insect an insect? Well, the first thing we need to talk about is its body parts. It has three main body parts: its head, its thorax, and its abdomen. Just like we have body parts, it does too. They also have two antennae, they have wings, and how many legs do they have? Think about it. That's right, six legs. So those are really the main parts of an insect. Also their mouth parts. Sometimes they have chewing, grasping. Sometimes they have siphoning, almost like sucking on a straw, that they suck the juices out of plants and trees. So they have various kinds of mouth parts, but those are all the basics. So head, thorax, abdomen, six legs, wings, antenna, mouth parts, and eyes. So think about that when you're out looking for insects. The other thing I want to talk to you that you're probably familiar with and hopefully you've learned about recently is the different life cycles of an insect. Most insects go through two different life cycles. So I have two here: complete and incomplete life cycles. So the first one is complete, which is a butterfly, which most of you are very familiar with. So it starts out as an egg, right? Then it becomes a caterpillar. Then it goes through the pupa or chrysalis stage before becoming a beautiful butterfly adult. So when it goes through a complete life cycle, it goes through some really dramatic changes before becoming that adult. The other one is an incomplete life cycle, and the example here is a grasshopper. So again, it starts out as an egg, but it goes through several nymphal stages, which is where it basically looks the same, and it just goes through some very small changes and also usually grows in size before becoming an adult. So in both life stages, you have an egg and an adult, but you see different changes throughout the life cycle. So this is another concept to consider when you're out doing your scavenger hunt. Can you find insects in different stages, life stages? Are they in a nymphal stage? Are they a larva? Are they an egg? Are they an adult? So that's something to think about too on your scavenger hunt. So I've given you some ideas of some things to look for, some basic ones: a butterfly, a mosquito, hopefully not biting you, a moth, grasshopper, a beetle, a caterpillar, and maybe some ants. Maybe you can find the home of an insect, or again, a life cycle part of an insect life stages, which were some of those listed there. So I have a few clips of some things that I found in my yard, and I hope you have happy hunting. Enjoy!